Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Silvinden Sweden. I'm on the home page, and I love that you're showing your products right away, so I know what you're offering, which is great for conversion rate. I love that you've got side navigation here. The logo, consider getting a professionally designed logo. It will build your trust and authority. It will make your website look a little bit more professional. Use this top banner to tell about some offers. So use it really to prompt people to buy more from you. Consider also cropping the product images to the same height so they display in one line. As you see, those are a little bit higher, so they kind of display all over the place. So make sure they are cut to the same heights. Talk about your brand. As you can see, it's still not filled, so make sure to fill those and all of those elements in. Products, you can optimize this title to be more SEO friendly. However, you've got a really nicely organized collection page. Add to cart is above the fold, which is fantastic as well. Very nicely organized product page, which is great. As you can see, About Us page is not linked, so there is a broken link. Make sure to fix any of those links because they can also affect your conversion rate. Our history from the footer menu, it could be used as About Us page, so you can replace those links. Your Contact Us page still shows your free Gmail account. I know that you've got professional email address, so make sure to update it as well. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to speak with a Shopify expert to get more information on how to optimize your website, please book a free chat. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.